We all want to help the needy people, but how is it possible?
My fees and course books expenses are too much. How can I donate?
My budget is so limited. How can I help others?
I don't have any time left after my long working hours. How can I help?
We don't ask you to dedicate your time, spend money, or make major compromises. There is an easy way to contribute. One click, a spark of hope. One click, a step towards a dream. One click, a chance for a new life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Like our Facebook page. Pick your device now. Subscribe, follow, comment, like and share. One click is one contribution. One click has no cost. Step forward for this no-cost contribution to carry forward this noble cause and bring goodness to our present and eternal lives. For more information, visit our website www.shaur.org.pk.